Hi, I'm Cece Holloman. I'm resubmitting my virtual demonstration, skills demonstration. I want to make sure I've done this right so you can see. Here I am with my name, my Google account, Cece Holloman. I have shared this. I copied this from the assessment. It's the view only, but I have copied it, so I'm going to rename it. I think that's one of the first things I do here. First, I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I can go right here on my Google Apps. Here's my drive. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to name it CC Holloman. Okay, there it is. I've got 3. I've been working on this, so I've got a few of these. So excuse me, and I'm sorry, y'all, that I've had a hard time doing this and sharing it, but hopefully this will work. And I'm going to email it to you. And then I really didn't see another upload to upload another time, so I'm going to email it to you. But if you want me to submit it back to Schoology, I can do that too. Now I'm going to rename this document that I had open. You can go to documents in your drive too, but right here I'm going to rename it with my first name and my last name and virtual skills demo. Let me make sure it's in my folder too. Let's see if there's anything in that. No, I don't want to put it in that. I'm going to put it in an empty one. Yeah, okay. Now it says rename this document with first name, last name, and virtual skills. I did that. Now I need to turn a sublist. I see a sublist right here. Don't see another sublist. I could do this one. I'll do this one right here. So click on these, that list. I'm going to bold it, lobster font, size is 18, and center it. There we go. I've lost the bulletin list, but let me try and put that back on there. There it goes. Reformat this document title, which is right here. Bold, lobster, 18 points, and centered. There we go. Now I'm going to go to Google Forms. I like Google Forms. I'm getting used to it and liking how to use it. Okay, a blank one. Okay. So I'm in my Google form and I'm going to name it. Virtual quiz. CC Holloman virtual quiz, double clicked on it, and then it named it there. The first question is name, and it should be a short answer. There we go. Next question is a true false. Is the Grizzly mascot, is the Northside mascot a grizzly? Switch those around. True and false. Okay. Next question is a 4-choice multiple choice question. What is your favorite season of the year? Winter, spring, summer, it's being slow. Hold on. Summer, fall. Okay, next question. A short answer. Why is this season your favorite? And that's a short answer. Now I'm going to save this as a quiz. Make this a quiz. Save it. Preview it. Okay. And then I'm going to copy the link. I think I need to go back. I don't need to copy that link. And then paste it into my document right there. Okay, the next thing I need to do is go to Google Slides. Make a blank presentation, and I'm going to make it shareable. It's taking a minute, sorry. Let me try again. Name before sharing. There we go. Oops. Try that again. Virtual slideshow. Virtual slideshow. still have to make sure it's saved and can share it. Okay. We are going to have a shift theme. Let me find shift. There it is. I've got it titled. But I guess I'll title it here too. Okay. Let me do a new slide. Insert a slide. Apple for the teacher. Oops, I'm having trouble typing. There we go. And then we need to insert a picture of an apple at the center. Okay. I have to search the web. There we go. Let me make it a little smaller. There we go. I centered it. Did you see how I centered that? It was kind of... There we go. Okay, now I'm going to animate my apple. So let me right click on my apple and go to animate. And we want it to spin with previous. Is that right? With previous, yes. Okay. Let's just play that and see how that looks. There we go. That's done. Next thing, I need to create a new class in my LMS, my Schoology. Okay, so I'm going to go to my courses. Create course. Create course. And I'm going to name it Virtual Skills Demo. There we go. Under technology, and then PD. I'll put it in PD, and then create. Right here, we're going to add materials, and we're going to do a discussion. Add discussion. What I'm going to kind of do a voice and choice here too. What I want to learn in marketing management. In this discussion, I want to know what you are interested in learning this year. Answer one other student's response. Examples. The economy, taxes, advertising. Okay. Let's see, the due date, we're going to make it for a couple of days, 3 days away. Enable grading. I've got I have classwork on all of mine. That's what I've been using. Yeah, that's the one I like, classwork. And that is, we don't want 100 points, you guys. It's just 20. Just answer me. I'll do 25. Answer me, kids, what you want to learn, and respond to somebody else's. That sounds cool. I want to learn that too. Okay, that's it on that. And then I also want to show you some of my other classes and what I'm doing in them. Okay, survey of business. I've done a video here. That's a video link of what they should be doing. We're having them check in and check out. We've done introduction and procedures, student expectations, introduce myself, career and technical student organizations, a survey about them. Right now we're in file management and Google Drive. So that's what we're working on in that class. I want you to show you my resources. Here are some of my resources that I've created. I've created a quiz. I do like the quizzes in Google Drive. I've got groups that I'm with. Here's some of my groups, and I'm collaborating with other teachers in survey of business and small business. Miss Briscoe's added quite a few things in the small business, the Grizzly Gear Store. Survey of business, we've got 4 teachers sharing here. I want to show you my grade book too. I love the grade book in Schoology. I'm real happy with that because I like how it loads and you can see, and right here you can tell if a student's turned in their work or not. Loving the grade book. This is my last section on the virtual skills demo. I have gone to my screencast device, so I couldn't really show it to you, and I copied it to YouTube, and that's how I did my voice and choice. I copied it there, so I am going to add it right now by adding a link. Here's the link right there. I would name it Voice and Choice. Now I'm going to add it, and then I'll play it for you so you can see it. This is my student Voice and Choice by Cece Holloman for Fort Smith Public Schools, PD. I have 2 examples for the way I have done it in my classroom for kids to choose how they'd like to learn. One class is my survey of business, and we're going to learn Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, but they get to choose the way they want to learn. I tell them at the very beginning of school, they can choose to follow along with me, do all the step-by-steps with me, or they can do self-paced and learn it on their own and read it out of the book. This goes through the book applications, and the good readers really like to go self-paced. About 3/4 of the class will follow along with me. In my other class, entrepreneurship, we discuss what we're going to learn, and then I ask them to put on a sticky note what is most interesting to them and what they would like to learn. And in the past couple of years,
kids want to learn about taxes, and I delve pretty deep into taxes with them, personal and business taxes. And then some love watching Shark Tank. For a treat on Fridays, about once a month, we'll watch some Shark Tanks. One year, a couple of years ago, my students were very interested in business and how it impacted our environment. That is how I teach student voice and choice in the classroom. Thank you.